July 2024, in fulfillment of the requirement of Article 74 of the Constitution, my lady, you are called upon to administer the oath of office of Deputy Governor. I now call upon my lady to take her position on the podium for the purposes of taking the oath. I also call upon the Deputy Governor designate to take his position on the podium.
Good morning, everyone. I will now proceed and administer the oath of office in accordance with Section 31 of the County Government Act. Honorable Obebo, you now raise the Bible with your right hand and hold the Constitution. Just hold it. Just hold it. Yeah. Then you will repeat the oath after me. You say I and say your name, and then read the oath as it is written in front of you.
I, Obebo, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the same office, and I shall do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or injury, and so help me God.
judge and the deputy governor Kisii County to come forward for the judge to present the oath to him. My lady, that marks the end of the ceremony. I now hand over the mic